Hello. Oh my god, my mic was all the way up. Hello everybody, my name is Brian Barron here, and today we're with our 10th. I know like the last two episodes I've gotten the episode numbers wrong, but I'm pretty sure this one's the 10th episode. So let's get started, and today's episode is going to be on new crafting recipes and how you can make your own like crafting recipes for certain things. So let's get to it. I'm gonna make a new job project name crafting recipes. Boom, crafting recipes, and we're gonna go right here. We're gonna go Control Alt Enter, yeah, and job build path, add a mixture, no, whatever. Or I could just do this. Okay. So we're just gonna import that. I'm gonna go into the source. We're gonna make a new package. We're gonna call it me.brian or whatever your name is. Crafting recipe. Bam. Recipe. Yeah, I spelled it right. Okay. New class. We're gonna make this main. Alright, so we're gonna extends Java plugin. Bam, and we're going to, like always, make our public void on enable. My god, okay. I'm gonna make our, yeah, I'm gonna put an at override here. Public void on disable. Bam. And we're gonna end it off there. Okay. Let's see. The first thing we want to do when making this is we need to make a shaped recipe method. So we're gonna make a new recipe for let's see. A new recipe for diamonds, so you can actually craft diamonds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do shaped recipe, Control Shift O, of course. We're gonna import that. We're gonna name this diamond, and we're gonna make that equals to new shaped recipe, new item stack, because this is obviously going to be an item stack. I'm going to get the material, which will be a diamond. Should make it a diamond or whatever. And we're going to make dot shape, and this is going to be, oh damn it. Okay, this is going to be our crafting thing. What's going on here? Import and material. Import. There we go. Okay, so what's gonna go in here is our recipe. So the first three of our okay, so how do I say this? Like, you know, inside of a crafting bench, there's like, let's say the slots, like, you know, there's like 9 slots. Let's just say there's like 3 slots, and it goes, 3 slots and then like 3 columns, whatever, and it just goes into a square like that. Like each slot is itself, and then here this is going to be the first row. So whatever we're going to be typing in here will be our first row, and if we just put 3 spaces, that means there's nothing in our first row. It's like, it's an empty slot, so you don't need to put anything to craft it there. This is just going to be basically the crafting recipe for it, so it'll make more sense when I actually program it, and you guys actually program it. To make a diamond, diamonds are pretty expensive, so we're just going to make it all gold. So let's see, how are we gonna do it? Okay, we're just gonna make percentage signs. So percentage signs will represent our gold. Jesus. So basically what it's saying here is the whole crafting bench has to be filled with gold, right? Right. Okay. So the first three slots will be gold on the first row. The second row will be filled with gold as well, and the third row will be also filled with gold. Okay, so here we need to actually set our ingredients. So we can do dot set ingredient. Yeah, it's just set ingredient, and we can make this. And percentage signs will mean material dot gold. Material dot gold. Should be as easy as that. Oh, cool. Ingot. Yeah, there we go. What's wrong with this? Material dot. Oh, is it this? Is there supposed to be? Oh. There we go. Okay, so it has to be single quotes, not double. Oops. And we're going to make okay, let's kind of sort this out here. I'm gonna do dot set ingredients. Oh no, we only have one ingredient, so yeah, that should be good. So what it's saying here is our shape recipe named diamond will equal a new shaped recipe with an item stack which will return a diamond after we craft it, and the shape of it, the crafting recipe of it, will be gold, all filled with gold in the first slot, filled with gold in the second row, and filled with gold in the third row. And we're gonna set the percentage sign that's here to gold, so it represents gold. And that's not all. We have to actually get the server, and we have to add the recipe. Oh god, I just realized I've been doing this on disable. Okay, here we go. Actually, in the on disable, we need to get the server, and we need to clear recipes. There we go. So when the server gets disabled, it just clears the recipes and it prevents bugs. Also, we need to okay. Oh, that's a problem. Alright, so we need to actually add the recipe. So simple as this: get server dot get recipe. Oh no, it's dot add recipe. Oops. Dot add recipe diamond, because that's what we named our recipe here. So that's how you that's how you create your own recipe for, or your own crafting recipe for your own items. And I hope you guys learned. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna make this a little bit more complex because I don't know if you guys will understand this. So here will be percentage sign at, and then percentage sign. These are just symbols that represent and that will represent an item. So don't get confused with that. It could be anything. It could literally be 5, 3, 4, and each of these represent a different item. Actually, 5, 3, 5, and like 5 will represent an item, and 3 will represent an item. It's like that simple. But for our case, it's just gonna be percentage sign at percentage sign. Here it'll be 4, and yeah, this will be at. So we're just going to extend this dot set ingredient. Our at symbol will actually be, and okay, our at symbol will be it will be material dot. Let's look at all of the things that we have. We're just gonna make a baked potato. Alright, baked potato. So our at symbol will be baked potato dot set ingredients. Oops, ingredients. Oh my gosh. Okay, 4 will be material dot nether star. I like nether stars. They're cool. Bam. Okay, no, we have the semicolon here. So basically what it's saying here is we just added more symbols and what those symbols represent. So here in the first row, it will be gold ingot, and then it will be baked potato, and then another gold ingot. And then in the second row, it'll be gold ingot, nether star, gold ingot. And in the last row, it'll be gold ingot, baked potato, gold ingot. So that's how you make ingredients. Hope you guys liked it. It's really simple, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.